How to increase brightness in Roblox. So if you want to increase the brightness in Roblox, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Roblox application. Now, once you open up your Roblox, if you go with the more option, which is on the bottom right, or the settings option, if you scroll down, you'll have the settings option. If you go with settings here, you won't have an option to increase your brightness, right? So you can just simply go and find it on your settings. You won't have that option, but you can just simply go with device preferences, and under device preferences you can adjust these settings. It will adjust your graphics, movement, and accessibility from the settings menu in an experience. So you can stop and reduce motion effects. You can go with background transparency. You can adjust it on some backgrounds to improve the contrast, which will help you. So these are the things that you can do in the application. But if you want to increase the brightness, you can go with your device brightness. You can just go with your control center, and then you can increase the brightness from here. So that's how you can increase brightness on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.